Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter M. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर M का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter M. Letter M पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo! Shabash! The sound of letter M is Letter M की आवाज है Trace letter M with a pencil. अब आप M पर पेंसिल फेरें. Shabash. Now we will read keywords from letter M. अब हम letter M से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. Mug, mango, mitten, milk, mug, mango, mitten, milk. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. शाबाश. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. M letter, moon, moon, moon.
M letter, moon, moon, moon.
M letter, give me a spoon.
M letter, give me a spoon.
Circle the letter M in the letters. इन हुरूफ में M के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. Shabash. Connect monkey to the tree with the help of lines. Bravo. Connect mango to the fruits with the help of lines. Bravo. Connect moon to the stars with the help of lines. Bravo. Dear teachers, discuss the pictures with children. Ask children to name the given M words. Introduce letter M with phonic song. Help children develop a story with given words and pictures or play cards. Draw or paste a mango. Teach vocabulary as sight words. Repeat the words monkey, mango, moon, mouse, map, mat, and man. Dear children, do you know mango is our national fruit?